again with Mr. Andres. In Bahasa Indonesia, you can call me Mas Andres or AA because I'm Sundanese. Sundanese is a tribe in Indonesia, so usually they call someone boy or adult, something like that, but male they call AA. For the girl, Neng. And there's so many tribes in Bahasa in Indonesia. There's it will make difference calling for everybody. Okay, but commonly we usually say Mas. You can find if you go to Jakarta and then you meet a male, you can say Mas kesini dong, or in English Mas come here. Without Mas, yeah, of course, sure. Okay, continue. We will continue our lesson. For last meeting, we still, if you still remember that we were explaining about past tense by using verb. Now I'm going to tell you past tense by using non-verb. Okay, you still remember that yesterday, last meeting, last lesson, when we talk about past tense in Bahasa Indonesia, you don't have to change any verb. Still the same. And also for non-verb, you don't have to use to be. In English, we usually use to be, was and were. Okay, you still remember? Okay, if your English is good, of course you know it. Okay, for example, sorry. For the time signal, it is the same. You just put yesterday, kemarin, last week, minggu lalu. Here you can see, and also the word ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 2 hari lalu, 3 hari lalu, or up to you. Okay, the important thing talking about the past. Okay, for non-verb, okay, let's see the adjective. Adjective in English. Cantik. In English beautiful. Sorry. In Bahasa Indonesia cantik. In English rich, kaya. Okay, rich is kaya. Rich is English. In Bahasa Indonesia kaya. You can see here. Poor in English. In Bahasa Indonesia miskin. Deep in English. In Bahasa Indonesia dalam. Okay, you can find the adjective in Bahasa Indonesia. You can search in Google and everything. The application you have in your phone or Google Translate, maybe you can find the adjective. Okay. Sample in English. Sorry, in English. I was rich 2 years ago. I was rich 2 years ago. It means I means saya. Still remember? Okay, I tell you the subject. I, saya. If you forget, I, saya. You, kamu. They, mereka. We, kami. She, dia. So dia for the girl. Dia. But you make sure when you talk about dia, you talk about the girl, okay? And he, also dia. Dia is a boy or male, okay? So he and she, the meaning is the same, dia. So just make sure that you are talking about male and female. Okay, continue. In English, you usually use was and were. I, she, he, it, you use was. And you, Dewi, you use were, right? Okay. Sample, I was rich 2 years ago. So, in Bahasa Indonesia, you don't have to use to be or auxiliary verb. There is no auxiliary verb. There is no verb 2, there is no verb 3 in Bahasa Indonesia. The same. Just say the time signal. I told you to make the difference only the time signal. For example, I was rich 2 years ago. Sorry. Saya kaya 2 tahun lalu. Okay? She was a model. She was a model. Dia seorang model. Dulu. Dulu mean long time ago. We don't know. If you don't know, if she or he doesn't mention the time signal, it means dulu in bahasa Indonesia. But you don't have to think about dulu. It means in your mind you already understand that it is talking about the past. Okay. They were what's that? Let's think. They were here just now. They were here just now. Mereka di sini tadi. Mereka di sini tadi. So just now the meaning is tadi in English. In bahasa Indonesia, sorry. Okay, that is the positive sentence. How about negative sentence? That is the same with the verb. You only put the word tidak. Tidak. You don't have to put another auxiliary verb or to be or something like that. The same with the verb tidak. Just remember, what makes different is the time signal in bahasa Indonesia. That's simple. Okay, let's see. I was rich. I was not rich. It means saya tidak kaya. Dulu. Okay. Dulu mean long time ago. I don't know if you mention the time signal. Remember, we will mention it. For example, I was not rich 2 years ago. It means saya tidak kaya 2 tahun lalu. But if there is no time signal, you just put in your mind dulu. Dulu mean long time ago. Or we don't know. If the first time we talk about 1 year ago or 5 years ago, maybe we talk about 5 years ago. Okay, another. She was not a model. She was not a model. So in bahasa Indonesia, dia. In here, because dia subject is talking about the job, usually you put the word bukan. Dia bukan model. Not tidak. Don't use the word tidak. Dia bukan model because that is subject and talking about the job. For example, I am a teacher. Saya guru. I was a teacher. Saya guru. That is the same, right? The difference when you say I am the teacher, saya guru. When in bahasa Indonesia I say saya guru. Sekarang saya guru. It means now in present. For example, if another sentence, dulu saya guru. It means I was a teacher. When I say in negative ways in past tense, I was not a teacher. I was not a teacher. It means saya bukan guru dulu. Dulu in your mind. You just put in your mind dulu. It means long time ago. Okay. So for subject and then there is the job. Usually the word is dulu. Or talking about something. For example, it was not a tiger. Itu bukan harimau. Itu bukan harimau. So it is talking about subject and subject. It for subject and the object is the tiger. Okay, so you can put the word tidak and dulu. When I say I was rich, it is talking about myself. I was not rich. Saya tidak kaya. Not saya bukan kaya. That is different. Okay. Continue. How about interrogative? Interrogative, it means question. Still remember last meeting we talked about did when you use verb. In here, the meaning of did is apakah. It is the same. Were you a teacher? Apakah dulu kamu guru? Was he here? Apakah dia tadi di sini? The word tadi the time signal. Dulu is the time signal. Okay, so you just put the word apakah in front of the sentence. Okay, let's make positive, interrogative, positive, negative, and interrogative. Take a look here. I was a teacher. Saya seorang guru dulu. Okay, and then for negative, I was not a teacher. Saya bukan seorang guru. Bukan, not tidak. Okay, remember the lesson. And then, was I a teacher? Apakah saya seorang guru? Dulu. Apakah dulu saya seorang guru? Like that. Okay, that's so simple. Bahasa Indonesia is very simple and easy. And I hope you understand for the lesson. If you don't understand, you just make a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe my lesson. And see you next time. Bye-bye.
Halo, saya Jovita, saya seorang guru.
Hello, my name is Andres. I'm a teacher.
Konnichiwa. Watashi nama wa Baruka desu. Watashi wa Kiyoshi desu.
Ni hao, 我叫兰妮，我是老师。
When you're watching our videos, you are supporting our students.
This channel is one of our efforts to make free English and computer education program in our institution.
Support our channel by subscribing, sharing, and commenting our videos. Terima kasih.
Thank you very much.
谢谢。
Arigatou gozaimasu.
You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you. You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep. Now when I try to sleep I feel so bad. I should leave, and by the time it's done I'll be gone. Distant when you're home, always hanging by your phone. Do I even know you? And I get paranoid sometimes, 'cause I know that you're mine, and I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep now when I try to sleep should leave.